Good morning students, myself Babita Saxena, and today's my topic is thermistor and the thermocouple. This is the topic of electronic instrumentation subject, branch electrical and electronics engineering, 6th semester. So today we learn about the temperature measuring transducers, which are resistive transducer. These are called the resistive transducer, thermistor and the thermocouple. So these are the electrical method to measure the temperature. These are called the RTD, thermistor and the thermocouple. So what is the RTD? RTD is the resistance temperature detector. Its resistance will rise more and less linearly with the temperature. When the temperature subjected to the RTD's resistance will rise, will increase. So this is called the positive temperature coefficient, PTC. The other name of RTD is the PTC device. PTC device for the measurement of the temperature. And the another device is the thermistor. Thermistor is also the change in resistance in response to the temperature, but its resistance decreases as the temperature subjected. As the temperature increases, its resistance decreases. So this is called the negative temperature coefficient, NTC. These are called NTC. So this is the formula for the resistance temperature detector and the thermistor. Thermistor, you can see the clearly the rise in the temperature. When the rise in the temperature, resistance changes exponentially. Exponential. So the negative temperature coefficient is more than the positive temperature coefficient. So that's why the sensitivity of or the response of the thermistor is more in as compared to the RTD. So there are a common type of RTD called the PT100 and PT1000. The most common depends on the nickel and the copper, which metal you are using. If you use the nickel, it is PT100. These are the construction of wire wound RTD. This is the thin film type of RTD. And these are the thermistor. Thermistor uses the semiconductor material as a sensing element. Semiconductors resistance decreases as the temperature increases. So these devices can be small because of the semiconductor can be small as possible as. This is the circuit diagram for the measurement of thermistor, and these are the advantage and application of RTD. What is the advantage of RTD? RTD uses the RTD, most of the time RTD apply in the industrial application, because it uses the metal which has the very high temperature withstand. So that's why it is used in the industry. They have excellent stability over the time. Resistance element can be used for the measurement of differential temperature. These are the used in the critical industrial process control, high voltage AC system, aerospace, industrial application, HVAC, power generation, food industry. RTD, their response is very fast. NTC thermistor यूजेस द मेज़र एंड द मॉनिटर. बैटरीज में यूज़ होता है एनटीसी आपका, यानी थर्मिस्टर जो है बैटरीज में यूज़ होते हैं. आरटीडी जो है एक्सपेंसिव होते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ द मेटल, platinum and nickel, because these are the expensive materials. So RTDs are expensive, and because of semiconductor, thermistor are cheaper. So disadvantage of thermistor is the highly non-linear resistance temperature. Non-linear means when the temperature increases, its resistance decreases. So this shows the non-linearity. So these are the thermistor PTC, and thermistors are the NTC, and these are the PTC. These are the characteristics for the both three thermistor, RTD and the thermocouple. These are the characteristics. Thank you.